So it's officially end of financial year here in Australia. So this is the only time of the year where retail giants massively clears their stocks and outlet malls promises the biggest discount. But are all the factory outlets made equal? Or some are just premium traps while others actually offer the real discounts. So today I'm gonna do a massive one-day road trip to the 3 major factory outlets here in Sydney. And I'm going to grade them according to the vibe, the brand expectation, and the real bargain reality. Guess we'll find out which one is actually worth my trip. But first of all, good morning, good night, and anything in between. Welcome to my channel. So first stop of the day, Birkenhead Point in Drummoyne. If we are talking pure aesthetic and vibe, this place has already won. Where it's sitting, it's actually sitting at the edge of Sydney Harbour. The building itself looks very historic. So this place is giving more of a luxury day out rather than a bargain hunt.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true. And you can see it in my eyes, that girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.
There are 3 ways of getting here. You can catch a boat. From Sydney CBD. You can catch a train plus a bus, or you can drive here. Parking is 3 hours for free. So I finished my shopping, had my breakfast here at the Smelly Cheesecake, just coffee, and I'm coming home with 2 things. So just 2 things that I bought from here. So the scorecard for Birkenhead Point. So the vibe, definitely 9 out of 10. It's a strong 9 out of 10. There's a lot of cafes that you can have your breakfast, have your lunch. The atmosphere is very luxurious. It's really premium. The brand expectation, coming into the place like this, looking at the building, looking at the ancient, really historic building, you'd expect that it has like a premium class to most of the stuff in here. And the bargain, because they are mainly premium, and I'd say maybe about a 7 out of 10, but the common, like, sportswear, like streetwear that you can get them in here with a real bargain. So I guess we'll head to the west and see what's out there. So I spent 2 hours in here. So it's now 11:30, heading to the west, and that's also where I'm gonna have lunch. Okay, car's ready, let's go.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold.
So coming here, the vibe is completely different. Took me 40 minutes to come here, and the vibe has changed dramatically. So there's no marina, there's no boats around, there's no artisan cafe around the area, but you've got this family-friendly piazza around here. You see a lot of family, a lot of kids playing. The place actually gives me like American factory outlet vibe. So if you've been to New York, if you've been to Hawaii, Moana outlet, it's like that. Let's see whether the bargains are real here.
Change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe, tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love for rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You say
This is a Levi's collect from $149 to $10.
louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love for rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in?
So the vibe here is quite a family-friendly one. The footprint of all the big major streetwear, sportswear, they are all in here. So it is a single layer factory outlet. Outside, you've got all the American brands, and inside there's one section of all the homewares, Australian brands. So if you are looking for a $25 t-shirt, you'll find them in here. So what do I think about Sydney Outlet Village? The vibe here, maybe 7 out of 10. Brand expectation, yes, maybe because of the area. So this is around Liverpool area. There's a lot of streetwear. There's a lot of streetwear offerings in this place, and yep, that's expected, and they do have it in here. The bargain reality, 100%. You'll find a lot of bargain here. So I'll score it maybe 8 out of 10. So I've just decided to have some crispy pork bun, and we'll go straight to the next one. So I'll see you after 40 minutes.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right.
So we are now here on our last stop, the Eastern Creek Quarter. Initial impression, it's boxy, it's busy, it's massive. So just going through the car park initially, there's hardly any parking space, and it's like 2 hours before trading ceases. So just by looking at the car park, the way that I had a bit of difficulty trying to get a car park, it kind of gives me an indication already on how busy this place would be. So I went in, and it's true. It is busy. It's very boxy. It's actually giving me like a factory outlet, like a more like a warehouse kind of vibe. So it's a single story. The floor is just normal. There's not much furnishing around. It's very warehouse feel. Anyway, so that feel, it's giving me like a bargain kind of feel to it. Whether if it's true or not, I guess we'll find out.
You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me.
So I think I'm totally shopped out at the moment. To sum up the vibe here in Eastern Creek Quarter, the vibe is, if you could see around me, this is very much like the Liverpool Sydney Outlet Village. Very family friendly. There's a lot of stuff to do for children. There's a lot of restaurants to eat at as well. The the factory is very much a warehouse. It's a box, but it is a massive, massive box. It's a big footprint. And I'll say a lot of the brands that I know and a lot of the retail brands are pretty much in here. So they've got an outlet representation in here. So for a vibe, I'll give this place a strong 8 out of 10, because although it is family friendly, it still doesn't have the marina like what they do have in Birkenhead Point Brand expectation. First look, it looks like it's going to be a lot of street brand, a lot of mid-class items, and that did not disappoint. Bargain value, definitely a 9 out of 10. I've actually did buy a lot here, so you could see in there I've got massive bags. I will make another video on all the haul that I did for today, so please do watch it, and I will link it somehow in this video later on. So I am here just buying takeaway to take home because I am really ready to crash already. It's been a very long day for me. So if you want a really premium vibe, if you want not just the factory outlet kinda vibe, definitely go to Birkenhead Point. If you want less people but have the really good value for money products, go to Liverpool or Sydney Outlet Centre. But if you want everything combined with Birkenhead Point and Sydney Outlet Village, definitely come here to Eastern Creek Quarter. I am not exaggerating when I say that this is actually massive. It is only one floor, but I'm a little bit lost because I don't know where I've actually entered. There's actually quite a lot. So even the stores, they're quite big, and there's a lot of stocks as well. It is very crowded, so you kind of have to push in with a lot of people, and it's very hard to take video because a lot of people is on the way. The vibe itself, it's really nice. It goes off, and it's getting dark now, but looks like people are just starting to come here to get here. So you can go by a train and bus. There's also a shuttle that's available at the train station, so you can hop onto that as well, and it leaves the station every hour, and it leaves this place every hour, and also by car. The thing is, you have to pay for parking, so 3 hours is the only free parking they will provide. So I don't want to pay parking at the moment, so I might head home and just eat at home. But otherwise, I think the sure winner here is Eastern Creek Quarter. It has the vibe, it has the bargain, it has pretty much most of the brands that I know. So if you are up for Christmas shopping or for end of financial year shopping, definitely check this out. It's still very clean, but it does go off. So I do hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up just to show me some support, or subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next video, but for now, it's me, truly wonderly yours. Hanggang sa muling pagtatagpo. Bye!